On her way to work today, she will discover how the 3D Experience platform helps turn an idea into a new product proposal. Using the platform, she easily navigates and authors multi-CAD product structures, all using 3D as a universal language.
Hey,
Hey, Charlie.
I got the notification.
Oh, so what do you think?
Honestly, I preferred green.
What should be good is if I can carry my surfboard on it.
A surfboard?
A big one.
Like this big? All right, that's big, but I'm sure we could work something out.
Could we?
Coulda, woulda, shoulda. All we need to do is to pop the 3D Experience platform. We need to go on the search bar, drag and drop on the product structure editor, now blow the 3D up compose, et voila.
Don't we have to save the project first?
Right. Let's duplicate and play with a new idea, so we can easily make a clone of the bike. And now it's safe, we can do whatever we want.
Good, good.
So tell me again, what are we trying to do?
Well,
I go to the beach, I have my bike and my surfboard.
And you want to carry the surfboard while you're riding the bike.
well, I do already.
Right.
Most of the time.
You know what could work? We should throw a rack in there.
Rock and roll?
Sure thing, Anna. So first, we need to search if there's not an existing rack.
Okay.
Okay, we use 3D search, and bingo, there's a rack. Look!
It doesn't work.
Not very steady either. Ooh, I have an idea.
We need to have the board on the side so you have good clearance.
What are you doing in my mind?
It's in the script.
We need a designer on board.
Let me get the surfboard first and put it at the right distance from the
You
frame.
do that and I'm gonna reach a designer.
Designers can seamlessly initiate the creation of new CAD models, utilizing a proposal as their guide. The 3D Experience platform effectively dismantles silos of operations, allowing teams to work together as one.
We got the notification.
Let's run out. That's good.
Now we need to measure the clearance.
To be sure.
It's the most powerful solution to collaborate and accelerate development.
That's good.
Wow!
Go ahead, give it a try. How does it feel?
Feels perfect!
You ready?
Born ready.
Be safe out there.
You bet! And that's what the 3D Experience platform can do for you.
Anna! I want to go home.